Hi, my name's Robin Hefter. I'm the Managing Director of Shackleton Wintle, Plumbing and Heating Engineers from Cheltenham. We've been around since 1976. We are gas safe, Offtec, MCS approved contractors. We owe the success of our renewable business to the manufacturers that we back and support and their support to us, and in particular Daikin. We work in the social housing, private housing and house builder sectors where we install most technologies.
We've been using their heat pump systems for the last probably 3 to 4 years now. We don't get any problems with them at all. The installation seems to go well. The contractors work well with the suppliers from Daikin as well. And our tenants have been happy with what's been installed. I think there's about 40 or 50 Daikin installations out there now for our properties over the last probably 4 years, maybe 5. We've used air source heat pumps in a large block of a sheltered scheme in the Gloucester area. Used to have storage heaters. We've fitted them in there. We've also fitted a lot of air source heating to a lot of our outlying properties, replacing old oil systems that were coming up to the end of their lifespan. But there's also been a few old properties with storage heaters.
I consider the key benefits of the hybrid system to be high temperature hot water and the low running costs of the heating system, so the customer gets the benefit of having hot water at a very high temperature but low running costs on heating.
The heating system we had before the Daikin, it was all storage heaters. Every room had a storage heater. The main drawbacks for the storage heaters was it was boiling hot in the morning, afternoons it started to get cooler, and then by the evening we had to stick a portable heater on to keep ourselves warm. Since having the heating system installed, the operation of it is very, very easy for us. In the hall is one little box. I just press a little button and I can take the temperature up or down, and it automatically switches between the gas or the electric heating system, so I don't have to touch anything. Well, the bungalow is nice and warm.
The householder has seen over a 3-month period a 40% drop in their running costs and an improved performance, of course, because versus night storage heaters they didn't have the flexibility to operate it in periods because they were economy 7 as well, and that really helps them because they were really hot in the morning with their night storages, very cold in the evening, and now they've got ambient temperature throughout the day and evening.
The key benefits of the hybrid for tenants would be affordability, the fact that there's now a system out there that can monitor which is the best type of fuel to be used at any particular time, therefore saving money, so they're not stuck with just electric being used or just gas being used. So yeah, it's the affordability aspects of it and the controllability. As I said, again, if you're changing from storage heaters to a hybrid or air source system, you've got far more control over when you have the heating, and it's a flick of a switch just to get more heating if the temperature drops.
The eligibility of the RHI scheme with the hybrid unit is only going to enhance its attraction to the customers and to the social housing sector. It can only be a good thing and will help to sell the product to a greater audience.
The recent announcement on the RHI initiatives will have an impact on our decisions going forward, because obviously if we can get some funding made available to help us towards our costs, that will help towards our budget restraints, etc, etc. So yeah, we will be looking into that definitely.
The hybrid will definitely generate business opportunities for us, as we see it as a route to market by satisfying both the homeowner requirement for renewable technology and the gas as a backup.
We've used their systems now for the last 4 to 5 years. Haven't encountered any major problems with them at all. So if Severn Vale have got any renewable programs, we would definitely be considering using Daikin systems in the future, yeah.